Solving our larger societal issues is quickly becoming a very cumbersome task. See, in most cases, it takes a lot of people to agree on something to make it happen. Nowadays, where does everyone get their information? The internet. How is that information dispersed? Well, complex algorithms determine what content will keep someone online longer. Once it figures out what kind of content keeps a certain person online, they'll keep mostly seeing stuff like that. So people end up with a filtered selection of all the information. And oftentimes, as people share content to each other, they sort of start to form a little ideological cluster. Now you have all these separate little self-reinforcing clusters that communicate with each other very little. Now, these clusters have always existed to some degree. Between social behaviors and individual behaviors, people would tend to form little ideological groups. Social media algorithms have just added a third layer, reinforcing that phenomenon. Now, with a static power struggle, we can't easily solve problems that require large-scale integrated solutions, like climate change or shifting birth rates. In order to tackle those, we need people to agree, so we need them to talk to each other. So we need to solve the filter bubble problem. But in order to tackle that, we need to really understand social media algorithms and how they do what they do. But we can't. Social media companies obfuscate these things on purpose. A real first step would be to force social media companies to make these social media algorithms transparent.